Hi, this is the Cuber and today we will be reviewing the GAN 13 Maglev UV. There are two versions of this cube. There is the UV coated, which is the one we are reviewing today, and there's a frosted version. So let's start. It's a unique box as always from GAN. We got the cube box and the accessory box. The box has so much magnets, and here's the GAN 13 Maglev card. As you can see, the magnets or the interior of the GAN 13 Maglev is thrown inside the box. I find the box so interesting and it looks so cool. So let's start with the accessories. We have the GAN bag, and there is the user manual. There are 216 settings or customizations you can do or you can set on the GAN 13 Maglev. Let's start with the cube. Here's the box with magnets on the side and with the adjustment tool. So first impressions, let's see how the cube runs. The cube is so smooth, fast and controllable. Let's see the corner cutting. It has good corner cutting, and let's see the pieces from the inside. As you can see, there are magnets in the edge pieces, and the magnets on the corner pieces that you can adjust using the tool in here. Let's see the tension center and the center travel. In my opinion, the GAN 13 Maglev is a great cube presented in a fancy and unique way. What I mean is the box and the accessories and everything that is included. It's not a new thing from GAN, which is one of the best and biggest cubing companies all over the world. And I like that you can adjust the cube as the way you feel comfortable to.